If you want to become a beekeeper, whether it's to save the bees, to make honey, or just for the fun of it, you need to learn some basic beekeeping skills before you get started. Sadly, many new beekeepers skip this step and end up making easily avoidable mistakes that kill their bees. At Newbee University, we want you to be successful. That's why I developed Newbee University's Introduction to Beekeeping course. This course will provide you the knowledge, guidance, and confidence to start your first colony and keep happy, healthy, honey-making bees. This course will teach you everything from honeybee basics, the parts of honeybee biology and life cycle that are important to becoming a beekeeper. It'll also teach you how and where to buy beekeeping equipment, honeybees for your hive. It'll teach you how to identify and treat pests within the hive. And it'll go all the way through to harvesting your first honey. While this is a paid course, I strongly believe it'll actually save new beekeepers money. It'll save you money because many new beekeepers lose their bees their first or second year to avoidable mistakes. This course will help you avoid those mistakes, and keeping those bees alive the first and second year alone will save you more than the cost of this course. This course will also save you the heartache of knowing that you killed your bees by an easily avoidable mistake. Also, those beekeepers, some estimate as many as 80% that drop out after the first few years of beekeeping, never get to enjoy the true joy and excitement of keeping bees because they're struggling, they lose their bees, and they also lose the money they put into all their equipment because they quit after just a few years. When you register for this course, you'll receive in the mail a welcome packet. This welcome package will include a Newbee University pen, as well as a workbook that we specially designed for this course. This workbook will go chapter by chapter and includes basic information about the honeybee, equipment, and information covered in each chapter. It'll also have some places where you're going to take notes and record information about that specific topic. This workbook also includes a few pages in the back to record your notes and questions. Additionally, this course will have a private classroom discussion where you can ask your questions about the course, questions about getting started, and I and fellow classmates can help answer those questions to make sure you have the guidance you need to get started. That is the goal, to get you your first colony of bees, keep them healthy, happy, and making honey for you. After you complete this course, you'll get another package in the mail. You'll have an exam. When you pass the exam, this package will arrive in the mail, and you will receive a special gift, which I'm not going to say what that is right now. But you will also receive a completion certificate saying that you have completed the Introduction to Beekeeping course and the date in which you completed it. We believe this course is going to help you become a successful beekeeper, keep your bees alive, save the money that you would otherwise lose in lost bees, the pain of losing those bees, and keep your investment in your equipment so that this can become a hobby for many years, not just a short-lived thing that you get frustrated with and move on. So we hope that if you're interested in becoming a beekeeper, you will take the Introduction to Beekeeping course, learn the skills you need to get started and be successful. Thank you very much, and we hope to see you in the classroom.